Hey Gator fans, I'm Shelby Granath here in the gymnastics studio where the Gators are coming off another SEC win, this time at Kentucky. Another win and another perfect 10 for the Gators as Bridget Sloan scored a perfect 10 on beam this time as she became the first Gator to score a perfect 10 on multiple events. This week I caught up with Bridget and a few of the other gymnasts to talk about their performances at Kentucky and the upcoming home meet. At Kentucky last Friday, it was another solid performance overall by the Gators as the orange and blue defeated the Wildcats. Florida swept the event titles, scoring a 49.25 or above on every apparatus. Florida even had meet-high team totals on uneven bars and balance beam.
Kentucky was awesome. It was a great road meet for us. I know Rhonda said it was one of our best meets of the season, and it really was. We fought for every single landing. We hit more bar dismounts than we've hit all season, and we really just had a great time.
The meet at Kentucky was amazing. Our team did, probably the best that we've done all season long.
It was just one of those times when you got on the equipment, it wasn't really stressful. You got up there and you were just doing your thing. And again, Kentucky was awesome. It was really cold, which I was not a big fan of, but we competed great as a team, and everyone really just had highlights from the whole meet.
Being on the road didn't slow down the Gators, especially Bridget Sloan. It's what she's been hoping for all season, a perfect 10 on beam. And the defending NCAA beam champion finally got what she's been waiting for.
That was awesome. That was the one thing that I've wanted all year, was a 10-0 on beam. It's my favorite event. It always has come easy to me, and I wanted that more than anything. And when I got up there on beam, I told Rhonda, I was like, I'm gonna hit this beam routine. She's like, okay, prove it. And I was like, I will. And after I laid on my dismount, I was like, please. I was like, that was the best routine I've done all season. And when they flashed the 10, it was just like, finally. I was like, yes, this is that moment I've been waiting for.
And then of course Bridget's no doubt was perfect. She got a 10, so it was the best she has done since she's been here for sure.
Not only did she get a perfect mark on beam, but Sloan also got her fourth consecutive all-around win. Her total of 39.675 topped the nation's all-around scores last weekend. Her performances at Kentucky gave Bridget her fourth straight SEC Gymnast of the Week honors. And if you've been keeping track, that's 5 for 5 for the Gators, as Keetra Hunter shared the title Week 1 and Week 3.
I mean, that's really awesome. I don't really know how to explain that, just because, being SEC Gymnast of the Week, you look at it as motivation. And it really has motivated me to just continue improving in the gym so that it shows in the competition, because that's when they really decide.
Florida is now at the halfway point of their season, and it's so far so good for the Gators. With 5 regular season meets left, the squad remains focused, taking it one meet at a time.
Well, at the halfway point, I'm absolutely thrilled with where our team is right now. They are, I feel like they are not only confident and consistent, and they're competing aggressively, and we're really following the plan that we've had set from the beginning.
Each competition we're progressing each time and getting better and better, and just we're on the right track right now.
As always, the Gators are ready to return home this Friday to take on Arkansas. The Gymbacks have 4 gymnasts ranked in the top 10 nationally, and the team sits at number 11 in the Gym Info rankings. The top-ranked Gators are excited and prepared for their home meet.
We're really looking forward to being at home this weekend and hosting Arkansas. It should be a really great competition, and I know our athletes are getting excited to once again compete at home in front of our fans.
We're very excited. We all love to compete at home and have our home crowd and family that gets to come in, and it's always a lot of fun to compete in O-Dome and just get everybody involved and having fun together.
Oh, I'm super pumped. I'm ready for Friday already. I was ready for Friday yesterday, but I think it's going to be another great competition. Competing in the O-Dome never gets old, and again, it's just going to be an awesome competition against another SEC school, Arkansas. And I'm hoping for a full crowd. I think there will be a lot of people. A lot of people have told me, can't wait for the meet on Friday. I'm like, yes, me too. And again, it'll just be amazing.
Now the Gators will take on Arkansas at home this Friday, Valentine's Day, at 7 p.m. You can watch that meet live on GatorVision and catch a replay next week on Sun Sports. For GatorVision, I'm Shelby Granath.